Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. Let's do another knot here, another original knot. This is the North Pole Wreath knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side, it's at the belt line. I'm gonna come over, I'm just gonna put in a dimple there, bring it over to the center. I'm gonna come underneath it. Here we have that. I'm gonna come up and over like this. Then I'm gonna come down. I'm gonna come back across like this. And then I'm gonna come down, and then as I'm coming down, I wanna loop. I wanna leave it like this, so I don't go all the way through. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my first wreath over here. I need to keep my finger, keep your finger in this right here. And then I'm going to push this skinny end through that. Do another wreath, come back across the top like so. So we have this, then we're gonna come across, do a wreath, and I'm going to go underneath this again. So we have this. So there you have the North Pole Wreath knot. And it's like, chose a candy cane looking tie for this one. You can do whatever tie you want to do, but always helps. Oh, no style, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.